likely to see chop and breakout. If you're struggling to be consistent, you are not taking breakout trades. Cool, cool, cool. Some people are listening to me, some people aren't. It's okay. All right. All right. So that's what we got right now. So I'm just trying to give you guys caution. I mean, we've had 3 days where we just slaughtered the market. I mean, the market gave us everything we wanted 3 days in a row. There's bound to be a chop breakout day. Yeah, let's not FOMO, no mo. FOMO, no mo. Make it your motto. I, I'm going to be cautious until we see something that actually gives me, yesterday. Think about yesterday, guys. I was saying the same thing yesterday morning when we started, and then that third push up, I was like, okay, we can start shorting now. No, that was Monday. Sorry, Monday. Monday we came into the same type of environment. Excuse me, man. I don't usually have that issue. Monday, that third little push up on Monday, I was like, oh hey, let's take this short. Boom, and just ran. Um, but it gave the signs. It gave all the good signs. Lower highs, lower lows, and I was like, okay, let's try to get in a short. Now, obviously, I was way late because I got you guys in it, and I was not prepared to be in it myself. So, meh, meh, meh. Wah, wah, wah. Yep. Yeah. Well, we had consumer confidence at 10, so I expected that a little bit yesterday. Even on the sell signal we called right before the open, uh, that was that ended up being a runner for a lot of people. So again, just be cautious. Be cautious. I know it's so tempting to say I want to press the sell button. I want to press the sell button. I'll tell you guys when to do it. And I'm still having this issue with my chart trader. So if I get into a short, I'm gonna have to do it with a sell or buy stop here or a long. So we'll see. 86. I mean, it looks like it wants to break through. I mean, it really does, guys. I wanted to prove it to me there. And again, don't get too antsy on the open either, guys. Um, and let's see, we got a couple minutes ready. Let's go. Uh, yeah, but again, breaking below, staying below. If it stays below it, then I'm really comfortable pressing the sell button. I mean, I'll even put a sell stop in. I'll be comfortable with that. So, you've got two things that could happen here. One, right? We already talked about this. Three straight down days, four down days. Typically, after that, you're gonna get a little bit of relief at some point. Um, but that could have already happened with that daily gap up, if you will. So here we are, open for business. Let's see what happens, guys. be patient. Don't jump anything. I'll tell you, bigger accounts, you can trade the breakout here if that's what you want to do. Smaller accounts, people still struggling to be profitable. Please just be patient. Let this thing tell you what to want, what you want to do. Um, all right, those of you that have the bigger accounts and that are consistently profitable, that took the breakout. How many people did the breakout? Nice, Travis. Good job. Okay. Um, and they're pushing it back down again here, guys. So be patient. Let's get a little rally, something we can sell on. Again, this has to stay below 90. If it pushes back above that 90 level, I'm ixnaying my short side of thought process. But people are trying to sell it, so let's see what happens. I'll even turn on my tick reversal here. So if we get up in the zone, maybe a first touch rule. I would love for it to come back here, test this, and get sell signal. But we haven't been getting that a lot lately. So you could do a sell stop with this little sell signal. That was a little fast. You'd have to be quick to get in that one on the short side. Anybody see that little sell signal and jump into that? I was talking about it a little late. I wanted to push a little bit higher personally. Good job, TJ. Gracia, good job. This is the same little pattern we were talking about earlier this morning. So we trained on it this morning too, guys. And and we trained on that little doji this morning as well, didn't we? Everybody, this is not exactly almost exactly a repeat of what we looked at this morning. You guys see that? The doji, and then boom, candle opens inside or goes inside the HMA. That's not a bad sell signal. That's the exact M and W that is going to pay you most of the time with very little risk. Now let's see. We get a little level here on the 15-minute. If we can push through there, here's what I would say. You see a failed buy signal at this point. That becomes a sell signal. Now, I'm still wary of the market, guys. I'm still wary. I mean, you don't usually see this much push down, so or up as far as that goes, as in such a linear pattern. Um, the only thing I could think is somebody was back here at this 50 level saying, or that 90 level saying, "Hey, come back. Let me get some orders off." All right. Um, EMA, SMA separation. Yeah, we're getting that. Again, we are on the sell side of things, but I'm just still a little bit. Good job, Grace. Yeah. I don't like the way this is acting right now. You're at 82. It's another tiny little sell signal, but it's not a lot of confluence on that. So if you're not green, don't take that short. Just be patient. You had your chance right there as we talked through it, as we talked through this morning. Anybody still in? If you're still in, your stop is at not 82. YM guys, you guys that are in, your stop is at about to get taken. That should be 681. That's fine. I mean, you'll be flat now anyway. So I'm not really sure what the market wants to do either, guys. Gotta be honest with you. Like I said, probably a little bit of range bound and chop. So flat, yeah, everybody should be flat on that. Again, let's see if this gives us a sell signal. I mean, I do have my short button on the auto trader. There's a first touch rule. Overbought stochastics. Probably that's a tough one right there, guys. I want it to be a little bit higher. If you do it, try to get your targets fast. Really